Hello Lord of the Rings Hobbit fans and fellow YouTubers, Alfred Price here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a couple Iron Studios minifigures. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get right into it. And this is the box that it comes in. I've never seen these before. This is my first time buying anything from Iron Studios. And this is kind of a cool box here. So you can see it's Lord of the Rings, Gandalf, MiniCo figures. This is the front. And the back. You can see Iron Studios. Series 1. And let's unbox this. So I'm going to show you Gandalf first. This is a pretty cool, neat little minifigure here. Like the little stand that he's on. Just nice and plain and simple. And then his clothing. All this is like, feels like rubbery plastic kind of stuff. Pretty cool. And there he's holding his staff and his glam drink, the sword that he carries in the movies. It's pretty cool. Like his hat. Just a neat little figure. Pretty cool. And his portrait. Very, very cool. And then you can kind of see up close here. You can kind of see his scabbard there. Just hidden underneath his cloak. His staff. Pretty cool. And his glam ring. Yeah, this is a neat little figure, and you can see on the bottom he has a little bit of the weathering, as if he's been in his travels. Yeah. It's a neat little figure. So here's the packaging for Frodo. And you can see that as you can see that I have Gandalf and Bilbo, and then they also have Gollum, which I'll be getting. And let's open this up. So here's Frodo. Kind of weird looking. This one, his eyes are almost too big for his head. Pretty funny, but I think they did that because he's obsessed with his ring there. And then as you can see, he's holding the sting. So you can see Sting there. You can see him looking down at the ring there. You can see his hairy little feet. Hairy big feet, I mean. are neat little figures. These are neat figures here. In the back here. His cloak that he got from the elves. And these are neat little figures here. Just his expression, so funny though. Too cool. You can just see the design even on Sting there, and with the brown handle on it. I think that's pretty good in here. And then you can see his weathering in his pants there. Yeah, these are cool little figures. I really like these. And that is Frodo. I hope you guys enjoyed these minifigures from Iron Studios. Comment down below what you guys thought of these, and like and subscribe. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.